Hey there! If you're in pharmaceuticals manufacturing, you know how crucial precision is. Today we're diving into the world of kaolin milling machines and how they're changing the game. Kaolin, a natural clay mineral, is used in many meds for its binding and coating properties. But to get it just right, you need a milling machine that can handle it with care and accuracy. Our kaolin mill grinds particles to the perfect size, ensuring consistency in every batch. This means better drug stability, improved dissolution rates, and top-notch product quality. It's designed for high efficiency, reducing waste and saving you time and money in production. With easy controls and low maintenance, it fits seamlessly into your existing workflow. Whether you're making tablets, capsules, or suspensions, this machine delivers reliable results. Say goodbye to clumps and inconsistencies, hello to smooth, uniform kaolin every time. Plus, it meets all industry standards for safety and hygiene, so you can trust it completely. Upgrade your pharma manufacturing today and see the difference precision milling makes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more industry insights.